First, I want to say that I feel your pain because the Miele induction is a pure joke in my opinion, and I make a lot of videos. So this is how you can unlock it. The problem with the Miele induction is that every single type you have works in a different way. What do I mean by that is that, so what you can try to do first. First, you want to turn it on and you want to hold the power button for about 6 to 12 seconds. That can probably unlock it. The second thing that you can try to do is when you're going to power it on, you're going to find the unlock button there. It's going to be like a key there or a lock. So I'll show you right here. It's going to seems like this. And what you want to do, you want to press the lock button for about 5 to 12 seconds. This is another way how you're going to do it. And the last thing is that maybe you're going to have a Miele induction that is going to be and have this, like, do you see the minus and plus and power button? So like that means you have to power it on, and then you want to press and hold the minus and plus at the same time for about 5 to 12 seconds. And maybe that is going to unlock it. Or what you need to do, you have to power it on and you want to press power it on with the minus and plus to unlock it. Crazy. And I hope some of these are going to work out and you're going to successfully unlock it. But first thing I want to say that I feel your pain, because this is crazy. Have a great day and goodbye.